Hello, Dream Explorers. Welcome to the ultimate guide to lucid dreaming. Ever wonder what it's like to be the director, actor, and scriptwriter of your own dreams? You've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of lucid dreaming. So grab your dream journals and a comfy pillow. We're about to embark on an incredible journey. If you're as excited as we are to explore the mind's hidden landscapes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Trust us, you won't want to miss this dreamy content we have lined up. Lucid dreams aren't just bedtime stories. They're your personal playground in the realm of the subconscious. Imagine rewriting the laws of physics, flying over your hometown, or even having a chat with Albert Einstein. Sounds like a fantasy novel, right? Well, let's turn that fantasy into your reality. But wait, there's more. Lucid dreaming isn't just an amusement park for your mind. It's a treasure trove of benefits. Imagine conquering your deepest fears, rehearsing for significant life events, or even enhancing your creativity, all while you sleep. It's like having a personal therapist, a life coach, and an art studio accessible every night. We've received some fantastic questions from our community about lucid dreaming. One question that stood out was, can lucid dreaming help with stress relief? The answer is a resounding yes. Lucid dreaming can be a form of mindfulness, helping you to relax and manage stress. Keep those questions coming. We love hearing from you. Why is lucid dreaming still a well-kept secret? Is it because it's too mystical or perhaps too powerful? Let's unravel this enigma as we open the dreamer's secret toolkit. 1. Reality checks, the awareness key. First up, reality checks. This is your daily habit that will follow you into your dreams, making you more aware. Throughout your day, ask yourself, am I dreaming? Perform small tests, like trying to push your finger through your palm. If it goes through, you're dreaming. 2. Dream journaling, the memory key. Next, dream journaling. Think of it as your dreamland passport and treasure map combined. Every morning, jot down even the tiniest details. Over time, you'll start to notice patterns, making it easier to become lucid. 3. Wake back to bed, WBTB, the REM key. The wake back to bed technique, or WBTB for short. It's like having a VIP pass to the dream world. Set an alarm for about 5 hours after you sleep. Wake up briefly and then drift back into dreamland. Number 4. Mnemonic induction, MILD, the intention key. Ever heard of the power of intention? MILD is all about setting your mind to achieve lucidity. Before sleeping, repeat a mantra like, I will know that I'm dreaming. It's like whispering a secret code to your subconscious. Number 5. Finger-induced lucid dreaming, FILD, the sensory key. Last but not least, FILD. This technique is like a magic wand for your dreams. As you're falling asleep, lightly tap your fingers. This keeps your mind alert, allowing you to slip into a lucid dream. Pro tips: unlock advanced levels. Ready to level up? Here are some pro tips. To stabilize your dream, try spinning around or rubbing your hands together. These actions can make your dream environment as vivid as high-definition TV. Congratulations, Dream Explorers! You're now armed with the keys to unlock the limitless world of lucid dreaming. So, what are you waiting for? Your dream realm awaits. If this video opened doors for you, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Good night, Dream Explorers! Unlock your potential and may your dreams be as boundless as your imagination.